Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 18 Forward Street in Manning. If you've been looking for an entry-level home or a downsizer that doesn't need any work, then this immaculately renovated home is the one for you. Plus, we're only 5 minutes from Penrose, Como Secondary, St Pius Primary and Curtin University. So you can secure yours and your children's educational future with the purchase of this home. And if you're a downsizer that just doesn't want to compromise on quality and entertaining area, then this home has the finishes and the alfresco that you want. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 18 Forward Street in Manning. As you can see, this beautiful home has been lovingly renovated to the utmost detail. It would make the perfect home for the new family or the downsizer. For more details of our property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.